welcome back to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Do like and share. Today we will discuss full adder. Actually in last video we discussed about half adder. So in half adder we have two inputs and two outputs, that is sum and carry, and input as a and B. So here we are taking two switches as a input and two lamps as a output. But in full adder you are taking A, B as a input and carry is also input. Okay, when you are getting, means when you are adding three numbers, then you will get two output. Means here we are adding the half adders, means we are taking two half adders to get the full adder. Okay, so here we have two inputs, that is A and B inputs, and carry as a in, means three inputs. We have three inputs, A, B and carry in. Here we have output sum and carry, means if you are adding A plus B plus C in, then you will get sum and carry. Okay, so see here we have two half adders, means here we have adder A and B, means we are implementing the circuit by using two half adder. When you are giving input A and B, means when you are applying two switches A and B according to the conditions, then you will get sum as well as carry. When you are getting the sum, that sum you are taking as a carry in and you are getting the carry out, and you are implementing the OR gate with sum and carry out, means you have the total output is sum and carry. Okay, we are going to implement only truth table guys, because concentrating on only logical implementation, means only ladder logic implementation. Means let's think that you have three inputs A, B, C, and means you have three switches and you have number of condition. This implements condition, this is called conditions, and you have two outputs, it may be a motor 1 and motor 2. Then how you are going to control this motor, these persons, when these switches will be on. Automation you have to think, or in PLC you have to think logically to get this output. Okay, so according to output we are going to implement the circuit. See here we have two inputs, input A, input B, and we have two outputs, that is sum and carry. Means you can think that we have two inputs and two outputs. Okay, when you are, means this carry we are not taking now. When you are adding 0 plus 1, then you will get sum as a 1 and carry is a 0. When you are adding 1 plus 0, you will get sum as 1 and carry as a 0. When you are adding 1 plus 1, then you will get 1, 0, then sum as a 0 and carry as a 1. Okay, this carry will get in, this is acting as a input. Okay, so we have three inputs, that is a carry in A and B. Okay, so this carry acting as a input. Now you have to add these all things, means 1 plus 0 plus 0, you will get what? 1 plus 0 plus 0, sum is 1 and carry is 0. Now you have to take this 1 as a carry only. Okay, now because this is OR gate, we are implementing the two half adder with OR gate. If you need detailed information, mention in comment box. I will take the class on how to design the digital logic circuit. Today we are concentrating, means in automation we are concentrating only in ladder implementation, means we have to take the truth table and we have to implement the logic according to the truth table, means according to the outputs. Okay, so we are implementing ladder logic by using this truth table. So you will get, here we have carry in and you have to add 1 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to what? 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. So this 0 is you are taking as a input and this one is taking as a carry. Again this one is taking as a carry in, means input. Next 1 plus 1, again 0, 1, means 1, 0. Sum is 0 and carry is 1. Next 1 plus 1 plus 1, means 1, 1. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. Plus 0 plus 1 is 0 plus 1 is 1 only. So you will get 2 output is high. In output you have to think that this 1 indicates on condition. Okay, this 1 indicates on condition. Okay, these all things, and 0 indicates off condition. But in inputs you have to think according to the switches. according to the NONC concept. Means in 0 0 condition your output 2 will be 0. Means when you are applying in initial condition, in default condition, your both load is in 0 only. Okay, default condition when you are giving, you are not touching the circuit, but you are applying only B condition. Means you are touching the second circuit, means you are touching the second switch, then you will get load 1 on. Means you can think that this is load 1 and this you can think that this is load 2. Okay, when you are touching, when you are pressing the B switch B, then you will get L1 is on. Okay, when you are pressing switch A, then you will get L1 on. Okay, when you are pressing switch A and B, then what happen? You will get L2 on, not L1 on, L2 on. This is the logical thinking. Means when I press this switch, this should be on. Means you are pressing the switch according to your condition. Okay, when you are pressing the second switch, means third switch, and you are keeping these two switch in default condition, you are not touch switch, then what happen? You will get 1. Means this load is on, L1 is on, but L2 is in off condition. When you are pressing the C switch and B switch, then you are getting L2 is on, L1 is in off condition. When you are pressing switch C and A, then you are getting L2 is on. Okay, when you are switching L1 means A, C, A and B, then you will get two loads should be on. Means you have to think that when I will press, these all things are conditions, means situations. Okay, these all things are loads. Means according to my condition, 3 switches, in 3 switches we are going to implement one by one logic. There are 3 friends, in that 3 friends there are different mentality. So according to their situation, according to our comfort zone, we are making this output as a on condition. Okay, so we are going to implement the ladder logic, guys. Okay, then ladder logic for this truth table. So already we seen this represent phase, this represents neutral. Okay, so here I will take 3 switches because we have switch 1 and switch 2 and switch 3. Okay, so in first we are taking sum. Okay, this is sum, this indicates sum. Here in 0 0 condition, your load is 0 only. Okay, in 0 0 condition your load is 0 and your carry is also 0. So you can make here your carry. Here I will take 3 switches. You can take as per your wish, but your carry should be 0. Means you can take one NC and one NO, no problem. A, B and C in, means carry in. Okay, similarly here also A, B and carry in. Okay, same circuit you can take it, no problem, but I taken in different way. You can take same circuit. So carry we will implement with different color. Second condition, A is 0 and B is 1. Means A is 0 means you have to take this A as a NC. Why? Because we need to get the sum on. Okay, A is 0 and why I am taking NO? Because we are implement 1 means we are making the circuit to get on. Okay, means we are applying the force to get the sum on. Means here 0, 1 and your 0. A is 0, B is 1 and C is 0. Okay, your sum is 1. Here carry is 0 means you can implement same circuit 0, 1, 0. Okay, even you are pressing, the load is off only. Okay, so 2 conditions satisfied in 1 circuit only. Here I will take different color to implement this logic. Okay, here we have A is 1 and B is 0. So in this circuit it is not possible, here also not possible. That's why I will take A is 1 and B is 0. So 1 means I will keep this as a NO and this is as a 0 NC and this is also NC. Okay, now you will get 1, 0 0. Okay. In third condition, I will take different color. Here your carry is 0 only, so you can implement here 1 0 0. Okay, so your carry is off only. Now I will take fourth conditions. 1 1, your sum is 0 and carry is 1. Your sum is 0. 1 1 means you can make this circuit as 1 1, then your sum is 0 and your carry is 1. Carry is 1 means you have to implement the circuit. When you are pressing 1 1 means A is 1, okay, B is 1 and carry is in default condition. You are not taking any carry, so here that indicates 0. Once A1 and B1 and C is 0, so you are getting the carry in on condition. Okay, means 1. Here condition, carry is 1, your A is 0, B is 0, but you are getting the sum, means carry is 1. You can take this is 1, carry is 1, 0 0, then your sum is off only, so you have to implement different circuit. Carry is 1 means this you have to keep in NC, A as a NC, B is also NC and C is in NO condition. 1 means you are applying the force to get on, means this is, you are not touching the circuit, these two are not touching the circuit, you are giving C, means this NO become NC and your load is getting on. Okay, here C is, here carry is 0, so you can implement in the circuit also, it is possible. 0 0 0 1, then you are not getting carry is on. Okay, so you can implement here also. Here 1 1, sum is 0, carry is 1, so you can implement here sum is 1 and sum is 0 and carry is 1. Sum is 0, carry is 1 means, see this is in the circuit you can make it 0 0 and 1, then your load is off only, sum is off only. Okay, you can implement this circuit. Here 1 1, you will get all the circuit in NO condition, but you have two loads in on condition, means you can implement this circuit 1 1 1, then your sum is getting on, and when you are implementing here 1 1 and 1, okay, 1 1 and 1 means you are applying the force to get NO as a NC. Here load is getting on. Here also this is NO condition, that's why we applied in same circuit, we are not taking any circuit. Okay guys, so you can check it. When you are applying 0 0 condition, your means in default condition your load is off. In second conditions, when you are applying 0 1 means this indicates 0, this indicates 1 and this indicates 0, then your sum is on. You can check the carry also similarly, you will get all the answers. Okay guys, hope you understand this full adder. If you like the videos, please do the comment. Thank you.